Do you want to start your own clothing business but not sure where to start? Let's make it easy. Up first, you want to identify the best printing method for your goals. You got sublimation, silkscreen, direct to garment, direct to film. Phew. Now what makes these printing methods different? And what's going to be the best for your business? Lucky for you, I've tried them all. You can rest assured that silkscreen is the longest running decoration method when it comes to apparel. If you're looking for mass volume of the same design, this is extremely efficient. However, it's not without its downfalls. Setups can either be labor intensive with a manual press or very expensive with an automated setup. It's also not going to be ideal if you're looking for mass volume of mass designs. To begin production, screens are coated with a photostatic sensitive chemical known as emulsion. Once coated and dried, a film positive transparency is affixed to the coated screens and then burned with an ultraviolet light. What happens from here, that image is imposed into the emulsion and then taken to a washout booth where it's blasted with water and creating a hole in the perfect shape of the film positive, allowing the ink to pass through. This process is repeated for every color of the shirt. From here, we're looking at registration. All screens must be first aligned on the press so that all the colors layer perfectly on top of each other, which essentially means we're looking at the same setup for one shirt or 1,000 shirts. That's why silkscreen printers have minimums. Now for high volume production shops or established businesses pumping out high volume of the same design, this can be an ideal setup. When it comes to hand feel, nothing beats sublimation. While more commonly found with hard surface products, if we could play within the guidelines, we can do apparel also. Using a special printer, loaded with special ink, and printing on a special paper, we can produce sublimation transfers that can be used to decorate 100% white polyester. Using heat tape, we can affix these transfers to our white poly, and under the high temperature of the press, the printed ink will physically change into a gas, and using the force of the machine, we are literally dyeing the surface of that white polyester. Now we keep mentioning poly. This is not going to be compatible with organic materials such as cotton, and because it's a CMYK printing method, there's no dark fabric options. However, if we can't stick to these rules, what you'll be left with is a 100% permanent decoration on the white polyester that'll be undetectable to the touch. This is quite possibly the lowest cost decoration method on this list if you can operate within the guidelines. Plus it gives you the option to do hard surface products. Alright, now white toner laser transfers, which are not DTF, just a heads up. Now if you invest in a top of the line American made heat press in the appropriate printing media, you can achieve full color graphics onto a wide variety of apparel items. Up first, you're going to print your full color images onto what is known as the A sheet. From here, you're going to preheat your lower platen on your heat press before preparing your B sheet, which is our adhesive. After we preheated that lower platen, we're going to bring in both sheets of media and sort of marry them together under high heat for about 2 minutes. After that 2-minute countdown, you're going to perform a quick and immediate peel, producing a full color, ready to apply white toner laser transfer. Now because there is no roll option with white toner laser, each piece must be prepared individually one at a time. Now when it comes to hand feel, the use of a laminator separate may be advised to get the very best results. Now something to keep in mind, this print media can get a little pricey. At the entry-level quality standard 8.5 by 11 A and B sheet combination, we're looking at approximately $4.40 for the pair. Higher grade films with a nicer hand feel and larger printing equipment is available, but always remember, your costs will grow exponentially. That being said, the main drawbacks of white toner laser printer is going to be the high cost of the media, the high user rate of media preparation, the ticket-based support system, and the requirement of the top-of-the-line American-made heat press. This had previously been the go-to option before direct-to-film for folks who've been priced at a DTG. Direct-to-garment, unlimited colors, fine detail, gradiency, glows, transitions, DTG does it all, and at a low labor intensity. And while this is not sublimation, the hand feel is luxurious. CMYKW printing, no daily maintenance, industry-leading warranty, and did I even mention it does direct-to-film also? Now, no process is perfect. There is a learning curve with DTG when it comes to pre-treating. Before printing, garments are applied with a liquid solution that will allow the white ink to bond to the shirt and layer CMYK ink on top. The only real caveat, in my opinion, is going to be the price point. Higher-end equipment that produces a higher quality product will come at a higher price tag. The trade-off is going to be ease of operation, less daily maintenance, and unheard of warranty protection. With Epson DTG, if there ever is an issue we can't resolve for you over the phone, a live technician will be at your location in 1 to 2 business days, all parts, labor, travel, service, anything your machine requires, all covered. Plus you get the wonderful ability to print on demand no minimums. Now last but certainly not least, we have to mention direct-to-film. For starters, you can get up and running at under $3,000, which will price you below direct-to-garment, below large format sublimation, and below most white toner laser printers. And did we mention we can print on basically anything? T-shirts, pants, activewear, dry fit, polyester, shoes, canvas. We really haven't come across anything that we cannot apply direct-to-film transfers to. And I have to mention, this is by far the lowest cost per print of any option on this list. When it comes to direct-to-film, you can basically get started with just a printer and a heat press. Now our DTF machines will come packed with warranty protection, live training, and after-purchase support. From a labor, cost, and quality of your final product standpoint, this is by far the most efficient option when it comes to custom apparel on the market today. So, isn't it time you made that clothing business idea a reality? Contact us today for more information on expanding your current operation or getting started. Let us know down in the comments what questions you have on all these different methods. My name is Estevan with All American Print Supply. If you made it this far in the video, drop a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.